One day, a man named Mike was driving his car. He was going to visit his friend. The sun was shining, and it was a beautiful day. Suddenly, Mike felt something was wrong with his car. The car was not driving smoothly. Mike pulled over to the side of the road. He got out of the car and saw that one of the tires was flat. Mike knew he had to change the tire. He had never changed a tire before, but he remembered watching his dad do it. Mike opened the trunk of his car. He found the spare tire, a jack, and a wrench. He read the car's manual quickly to make sure he was doing everything right. First, Mike loosened the nuts on the flat tire with the wrench. He didn't remove them completely, just enough to make it easier later. Then, he put the jack under the car near the flat tire and started lifting the car. When the car was high enough, Mike removed the nuts completely and took off the flat tire. Mike then put the spare tire on the car. He put the nuts back on and tightened them lightly. He lowered the car with the jack and removed it. Finally, Mike tightened the nuts as much as he could to make sure the tire was secure. Mike was proud of himself. He had successfully changed the tire. He put the flat tire, the jack, and the wrench back in the trunk. Mike got back into the car and continued his journey to visit his friend. He decided to get the flat tire fixed as soon as possible. Mike arrived at his friend's house and told him about the adventure. They both laughed. Mike was happy he learned how to change a tire. It was a good lesson, and now he felt ready for any future car troubles.
What problem did Mike encounter while driving his car? What did Mike do first to change the flat tire? How did Mike feel after successfully changing the tire?